Hello everyone, so today it's Assam day, so let's go ahead and show you how do I drape the mekhla chador. So we have this mekhla, then chador, and I'm a bit confused which top should I pair for this one. So I got a couple of crop tops at my sister's cupboard, so let me think. I think I'll pick the mint, this apple green, because it goes with the motifs in the mekhla chador. So here we are. You have the top, then you wear the petticoat, then all you have to do is go inside the skirt. It's all stitched up, then make the pleats accordingly. So I make about 3 pleats, then you have to tuck it in your petticoat. So that's how we do it. So for sari, you tuck it on the left side. For mekhla chador, you tuck it on the right side, so the pleats will be shown after you put the chador on. And there we have the chador. So you make a waterfall or cascade, waterfall kind of a drape. Fold there so it comes down nicely, the pleats. You just tuck in and bring it over and just put it over your shoulders. So that's your chador there. So that's how easy it is to drape a mekhla chador. So you are all set and ready. Accessorize as per what you want, as per your style, a handbag, sunglasses, anything that you want to carry, then all set for your office or for meetings or for any occasions that you want. So I hope you really like this mekhla chador tutorial. So if you want to see any other draping style, do comment below so I can make a special tutorial for all of you. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you do, then do subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and have a great day.